In this video, we're gonna talk about a photogrammetry training that has been announced recently. Based on what I can see, it's gonna be an in-depth course that will cover all the steps necessary to learn how to create realistic models and environments using photogrammetry techniques and tools. You will basically need open source software such as Blender, GIMP, Darktable, and Reality Capture, which is not free, but it is the best and it is highly recommended for such projects. This training is gonna be brought to you by Gleb Alexandrov from Creative Shrimp and 80 Borrows. It is now in pre-sale, which allows you to get it for 22% off till December 21st, which is the release date. 80 and Gleb have been learning and using photogrammetry techniques for many years now, and hopefully in this training, they will share with us all they have learned and how to achieve realistic results. They will show you all you need to know during over 12 hours of video footage delivered through 80+ video tutorials. Chapter 1 of this training will begin as it should with the best practices of photogrammetry that will help you find the best resources. You will learn about the best camera settings and patterns for different circumstances, in addition to how to process the images you took in the free software called Darktable. In Chapter 2, the instructors will help you create 3D assets just by using your average phone to take photos. You will basically learn about the photogrammetry pipeline using Reality Capture and Blender. In addition, according to Gleb, you will learn about an in-house scanning setup that uses a turnable and controllable light for a full 360 degrees model. Next, you will be introduced to Meshroom, which is a free software that will be used to get the same results but with less time. In Chapter 3, the instructors will talk about a tunnable PBR materials workflow in Reality Capture, Blender, and GIMP. This is necessary because capturing 3D surfaces is important for texturing and bringing objects and scenes to life, similar to what they look like in reality. So you will learn how to create maps such as albedo, height, roughness, and normals to be able to create your PBR maps. You will also learn how to use height maps to blend surfaces together within Blender. Things will get a bit more interesting with 3D environment assets workflow in Chapter 4. The instructors will go through the process of how to create a pack of modules 3D assets based on the raw scan of an abandoned building. This is possible because parts of the scan will be broken into modules like doors, window frames, bricks, and so on. In addition to all this, you will learn how to organize large files, also process the sources, extract the module pieces out of the raw high-quality scan, also rebuild, fix the holes, and restore the missing parts in Blender via sculpting and standard modeling, in addition also to making normals and displacement textures, and many other things. The fifth and final chapter is gonna be about retopology. You will learn how to rebuild, reproject, and bake raw scans onto retopologized meshes using a very low poly count compared to using other techniques, which can be useful in many circumstances. Remember that this course has a 22% discount for a limited period of time, so if you want to check it out, you can find the necessary links in the description. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and you can also check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.